How to fix Redmi Note 13 keyboard disappeared. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and then click on additional settings. And then click on language and input. And here you can see the option manage keyboard. Now click on it. And here you can set your keyboard and then click on current keyboard. After manage your keyboard, then go back and restart your device. For start your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that. And then swipe up to power off your device and then turn back on. After that, open settings and click on apps. And then click on manage apps and then search here keyboard. Here you can select a keyboard and here you can clear your keyboard storage. After clear the keyboard storage, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.